Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to learn the Nepali names for widely known reptiles. I have selected a few that are found all over the world, including Nepal. I will first identify the reptile with its English name, then I will pronounce the Nepali name 3 times. Repeat after me and surprise your parents and grandparents.
Chameleon,
Cheparo, Cheparo, Cheparo,
crocodile,
Gohi, Gohi, Gohi,
gecko,
Mausuli, Mausuli, Mausuli,
carriel,
Gharial, Gharial, Gharial,
frog,
Bhyaguta, Bhyaguta, Bhyaguta,
snake,
Sarpa, Sarpa, Sarpa,
cobra,
Goman, Goman, Goman,
python,
Azingar, Azingar, Azingar,
yellow monitor lizard,
Sanagohi, Sanagohi, Sanagohi,
tortoise,
Kachua, Kachua, Kachua. This concludes our presentation. Thank you and see you again for the next presentation.